Good day, I'm Lorraine Mendez and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, July 30. Bank of Jamaica Governor Brian Winter says the signing of the Foreign Exchange Global Code by key financial market stakeholders represents a timely and important step in advancing the country's economic development. The code provides a common set of guidelines for all authorized foreign exchange trading entities developed by the Bank for International Settlements, BIS. It was signed on Monday by the Jamaica Bankers Association and the Cambio Association of Jamaica.
This historic signing reflects our aims for Jamaica to have a robust, fair, liquid, open, and transparent market for foreign exchange.
According to Mr. Winter, the code promotes the integrity, transparency, and effective functioning of the foreign exchange market, which is vital to the global financial system. By their signing, financial institutions have committed to upholding the 6 leading principles of ethics, governance, execution, information sharing, risk management and compliance, and the confirmation and settlement process. The code's adoption is among the foreign exchange market reforms initiated by the Central Bank in 2017 to enhance the efficiency and transparency of Jamaica's financial market. Both Houses of Parliament have now approved a 90-day extension of the states of public emergency in St. James, Westmoreland and Hanover until October 28. Following the House of Representatives' lead, the Senate gave assent on Friday. Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, Senator Pernell Charles Jr., piloted the motion in the upper house. He said the enhanced security measures had been yielding positive outcomes across the parishes, including a high decline in murders and shootings.
This is the most effective measure that has been utilized to treat with murders in our country ever before as it has been operated. Now, we have learned many lessons and we have improved the way that the security forces have operated and guided the policy decisions and revisions of how we execute these states of emergencies. And cumulatively, all of these have added value to the effectiveness of these measures.
The SOEs were declared in the parishes by Prime Minister Andrew Holness on April 30. Still in the Senate, the Information and Communications Technology Authority Act was also approved on Friday with one amendment. The bill seeks to improve the use of technology across government ministries through the establishment of the Information and Communications Technology ICT Authority. This body will consolidate the functions of eGov Jamaica and the Office of the Chief Information Officer.
The mandate of the authority will be to streamline ICT spend, to drive efficiency, to reduce the unnecessary bureaucracy, and to improve service delivery across and within public bodies, thus changing the way citizens interact with the government and vice versa.
The Senate's single amendment to the legislation calls for the appointment of a 9-member board to the ICT Authority. Persons in Western Jamaica will experience their own Grand Gala event on Independence Day at the Catherine Hall Sports Complex in Montego Bay. News of the staging was revealed by Culture and Entertainment Minister Olivia Grange at a recent JIS think tank.
For Western Jamaica, it's the first time that they will have an Independence Village that is built out almost similar to the Independence Village in Kingston. They will have a gala event, which also is a presentation almost similar to the one in Kingston, where they will have over 200 dancers and other participants on the field at Catherine Hall.
According to Minister Grange, island-wide activities are scheduled to celebrate our independence. Details can be viewed at jcdc.gov.jm. It includes the Independence Village, which opens on August 1 in Kingston and culminates with fireworks on August 6. And finally, Raldine Dyer is the winner of the 2019 JCDC Festival Song Competition with his song Big Up Jamaica. Raldine received a combined $2.6 million for winning and songwriting, as well as for Best Performance and Best Vocalist. The finals took place on Saturday at the Ranny Williams Entertainment Center. Second place went to Alera Peria with her song Queen Jamaica. Jerome Smith walked away with third place for his song Embassy Appointment. And that's it for JI's News Today. I'm Lorraine Mendez. Thanks for watching.